Hi, I'm Rob with Hayneedle, and this is a short video on the assembly of the Richland Coffee Table. Estimated time on this assembly is around a half an hour, and the only tool you will need is an Allen wrench, which is provided. We'll start by opening our box and removing its contents, then locate your instructions. Inside, you'll find a parts and hardware list. Take a brief inventory to make sure you have all the pieces needed for this assembly. Using our bolts labeled as 1, fitted with our flat washers labeled as 2, and 2 of our dowel rods labeled as 3, we'll now attach our piece B to our piece D. Start by taking your dowel rods and inserting 1 into each of the second from last hole on each side. Then take B and insert those dowels into piece D. From the inside of D, we'll now insert our bolts and tighten into place using our Allen wrench. Now we'll take 8 of our dowel rods and insert 2 into each end of our pieces C. We'll then take our piece C, making sure our line is facing down, and insert into the holes in the side of B. We'll place our second piece C into the top part. Once in place, we'll then install our second piece B on the opposite side, the same way we did with our first. Our next step is to take our remaining dowel rods and insert 1 into each hole along the bottom of our tabletop labeled as A. We'll then lay our base down over onto the dowel rods. Now take your 8 remaining bolts and from the inside insert 1 into each of the 4 holes on each side. Once you have all 8 in place, you'll go back with your Allen wrench and fully tighten. Turn over and you have your finished Richland Coffee Table.